Oh. Get ready for the noise. My nails look horrible. Yay, we're still alive. Day is the day we burn our house down. I'm scared. Okay, let's do this. You lighting it? Okay, go back up. Back up. Here goes nothing. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Oh. Yay, we're still alive. Making so we don't burn the house down. Is it safe now? Okay, boys, what we doing now? What's that? What is? Let me see. What is this, like in different colors? My nails look horrible. When's Thursday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 4 days. Day is the day we burn our house down. No, okay, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. We're good. We did this last year and it was fine. Wait, hold on. Don't like set the, oh crap. Jeez. Okay. I like, okay, back up, dude. Back up. I'm scared. Ooh. Get ready for the noise. Oh, it's not that bad. Yay. This is like making a lot of noise. I'm kind of afraid the police are gonna come. Some Karens are gonna call the police on us. Okay. Oh crap, a beef. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. There's the duds. No, it looks fine. Oh, sorry, I'm not even filming properly. Okay. Well, I gotta edit this. I'm sorry if like the audio sounds really bad. I have the mic really close to my mouth. And also, I'm not talking that loud because I really don't want people to judge me. If the audio sounds horrible, I'll mute it and fix it in the editing, okay? Okay, guys, we're doing it again. Oh, wait, is this on? Oh, wait, okay, that helps. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay, get back. See, these don't make that much noise. I don't think. I swear there are like bees out here or something. Like a fireworks.
You want to pick one?
Yes. Looks like a candle. We are making so much noise. Karens are gonna call the police on us. See, look at that. It's a bug. Well, I'm trying to film, Tone. Okay, back up, dude, back up. So the lighter ain't working anymore. Oh, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Okay, run. Here it comes. Is that it? We walk over there and it's not done, I swear to God. It's gonna be Wednesday. What's today? Sunday? Yeah, I'm recording on Sunday, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's going up 4 days from now, so July 4th, 5th. It's gonna go up on July 8th, but still, hopefully it'll make your July better. We are burning our house down. Okay, here it goes. I can smell the burning. I don't think our lighter is dying on us at the moment. Off to get a new lighter. Back out into the darkness. As soon as we go inside to get a new lighter, it starts working. We don't have any more lighter, so if that lighter bails on us again, we're gonna have to get the matches out. I swear, the lighter's not gonna work now. It only works inside the house for some reason. Okay, here it goes. Is it working now? Oh, it's working now. Okay, run. Ooh. Okay, I think it's done. So it doesn't set on fire and burn our house down. See? Oh crap. Camera fell. Okay, it's okay, okay. We're back on. I almost dropped the camera. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, run. We're making so much noise right now. I mean, other people are making noise too. So if you hear other fireworks, those are other people in the neighborhood. So if you do this at home, make sure you have your parents' supervision. I don't want to get sued because kids are out here doing this on their own. I'm not doing this on my own. Bring out the sparklers. Those, your sparklers. You hold them. We did this last year. Why are you scared now? I don't know. Be a man. You got this. Okay. Sparkler. Maybe it's a dud. I think it's a dud. Maybe the spark. Did they go bad?
I don't know, Isabel. That one came on a little bit.
I don't know. I don't remember them being gray last year. Oh! See, look, completely safe. Okay, here goes. Please don't be a dud. Oh, this is safe.
I'll hold it. You film them.
Okay, I got it.
Hold it away a little bit more away from you. Stretch your arm out.
This is the day I die. I'm sorry. I swear if this burns my hand, I'm gonna be mad. I'm suing the company. But I got video evidence right now. If it burns my hand, I'm suing the company. Oh, okay. Can I put it in the bucket? Okay. Oh, this is okay, that's the last one in the box. Here it goes. This isn't my usual type of content. I mean, I've never vlogged. I've done toy reviews. Oh, this is firework reviews. Some old fireworks that we freaking brought last year. Oh, never mind. It's not a dud. We're not suing them.
All right, hold it out. All right.
Okay, here it goes. You can see it dripping to the floor. Okay, good. Drop it in the bucket. Here it goes. I think the neighbors are trying to sleep. What time is it? Oh, the time. Because last year the neighbors came and said how beautiful they were. They didn't come this year. Next thing you know, they'd be calling the police on us. It's just I'm telling you, Fred. I'm just waiting.
Fireworks is going off in the area?
I don't know. I'm just waiting for the sirens. I need to go to bed. Why am I? This is what happens when I film late at night. Don't like set the paper on fire. It's gonna start on fire. Don't try this at home, kids. Okay, run. Jeez. Like an exploding building. This one's kind of small. It doesn't look that bad.
There goes our grass.
Stop. The grass is intact. Everything is fine. Just, it's fine as long as you have an adult supervision. So if you have fireworks at home, just have your mom, dad, grandma, aunt, uncle. I don't care. Just have an adult do it for you. I had to pick one. These are our fireworks from last year. We didn't buy any this year because we brought. Cause like last year was like the first time we did it, so we went overboard. What are these? I think you gotta like open the box. Short stack.
Don't do them both.
No, I'm just. What are these then? You are like have to open the box. Or you light the box on fire. The police. Oh, they're so small. Oh, it's so cute.
Light off.
Like these are the tiniest. It looks like a Barbie doll candle. No, not like a Barbie doll, like an American Girl. Okay, this can't be that bad. Cole, come on. Excuse me. That's it.
Okay.
Be like Mr. Beast. Don't try this at home.
They make a mini nuke.
Mini nuke. Doomsday alarm start to ring. I think only one of them lit. Well, I mean, too late now. Oh, okay, they're all lit.
That's pretty.
These ones don't make as much noise. Looking at the neighbor's house right now, all their lights. I'm not trying to be nosy or anything, but all their lights are off, so they might be trying to sleep. This is how much we have left. So next year we'll probably do this. If this video does well, I'll do it again. Do the blazer or instead.
Okay, I'll do this one instead and call it a night. Right?
Okay, then we can go inside. Okay. We're like so scared right now. What are your thoughts on this? I swear, if you shine the flashlight back there and there's someone there, like there's someone there, one day we're gonna like, but like when we bring the flashlights out, cause like out here when it is night, it's like dead silence. You get mugged, there's no one to help you. So I swear, one day we're gonna shine the flashlight somewhere. There's actually gonna be a dude there, gonna mug us all. Freaking lighter, run! Whoa! Get ready for the noise. Ooh.
It's big.
Oh no, I was about to say we're over. Oh! Okay. Okay, guys, that's enough fireworks. I swear, one day, like one of those cars gonna pass, is gonna have sirens, gonna be red, white, and blue, is gonna be the police.